Okay, say I'm doing this, and I need print file. The bed's heating up. As you can see, it's heating up. I'm waiting for this to heat up. It's hitting at 50 degrees. I don't know if that's gonna set it, but hopefully. I got the feet filming in. I'm just waiting for the bed's heated up. It's heating up still. I want to print that butterfly that you gave me a sample, and I'm trying to print that, and it's just not sticking. So what I'm trying to do, there it goes, finally kicks on. There goes the nozzle. It's going up to 195. Nozzle's heating up right now as we speak. There it goes. And obviously it's still down here. Gotta get to, I think that's what you set it, 1 to 9.5. So for the butterfly, and this is what happens. I'll show you what happens. Okay, so I have it on a complete flat surface. The rubber feeds. Everything's leveled, it's going up. It's almost done. This is what it does. It doesn't stick. Watch. There you go, 194.5. Just clicked in. Now it's going to do its thing. It's going to lower it. Bed level it. It kind of goes up a little bit. Look at what it does. There it goes. Watch. I can get fucking... It clogs up. There it is. Clogged. Dragon. Tell me what that is. See it? It's stuck, and now it's dragging it. Now it's clogged up the nozzle. Print. Done. So I'll send this to you.